When we think of billionaires, we often imagine luxury yachts, supercars, private islands, and penthouses in the most expensive cities. But there's one world of luxury that very few people ever talk about, the ultra-exclusive private airports that only billionaires and the world's elite have access to. These airports aren't just places to catch a flight, they're gateways to an entirely different lifestyle. A lifestyle where time is the most precious currency, and privacy is worth more than gold. In this video, we're taking you inside the world of private airports only billionaires can use, how they work, why they exist, and which ones are the most luxurious on the planet. Let's begin with the most important question: why do billionaires use private airports instead of just flying out of normal ones? For the ultra-wealthy, time is their biggest asset. Waiting in long security lines, dealing with delays, and navigating busy terminals is simply not an option. Private airports eliminate all of that. Instead of arriving hours before a flight, billionaires can drive right up to their jet, board in minutes, and be in the air almost instantly. Private airports also provide unmatched privacy. There are no paparazzi, no curious fans, and no interruptions. It's a controlled environment where billionaires can move freely, hold business meetings, or relax in total secrecy. But that's not all. These airports are designed with luxury in mind. We're talking about private lounges with 5-star dining, spa treatments, luxury car services, and even on-site hotels designed exclusively for high-net-worth travelers. For billionaires, the airport experience is just as luxurious as the flight itself. Now, let's explore some of the most exclusive billionaire-only airports in the world. First up is Teterboro Airport in New Jersey, USA. Just 12 miles from Manhattan, Teterboro is the private gateway for New York City's elite. Regular commercial flights are banned here, it's strictly private. Billionaires love it because they can avoid the chaos of JFK or LaGuardia and get in and out of New York in total privacy. The airport has VIP terminals, luxury car services, and hangars filled with Gulfstreams, Bombardiers, and private helicopters. Many of Wall Street's richest executives and celebrities use Teterboro as their go-to escape. Next, we head to London Luton Airport in the UK. While Luton is known as a busy commercial hub, hidden within it is Signature Elite Class, a private terminal designed for billionaires. Here, passengers are chauffeured directly to their jet in luxury cars, while staff handle all luggage and security in minutes. The terminal itself looks more like a 5-star hotel lobby, with fine dining, champagne bars, and personalized concierge services. It's a favorite for billionaires living in or visiting London because of the speed, privacy, and sheer luxury it offers. Another incredible location is Al Maktoum International Airport in Dubai. Known as one of the most luxurious private aviation hubs in the world, this airport was practically designed for billionaires. With ultra-exclusive terminals, private car transfers, and luxury shopping experiences, it redefines what air travel can be. Billionaires in Dubai often own multiple private jets, and this airport caters to that lifestyle with massive hangars, maintenance services, and on-demand luxury amenities. For many, this is the ultimate billionaire playground in the sky. Let's not forget about Le Bourget Airport in Paris, France. This is Europe's busiest private jet airport, and it's where billionaires land when they're visiting Paris. The airport features more than a dozen private terminals, each designed for high-net-worth individuals. There are art galleries, Michelin-level dining options, luxury lounges, and even private apartments for travelers who want to rest before continuing their journey. Billionaires love Le Bourget because it provides seamless access to Paris without dealing with the chaos of Charles de Gaulle. And then there's Van Nuys Airport in Los Angeles, USA. This airport is practically Hollywood's secret getaway. Located just north of LA, it's used exclusively for private aviation. Celebrities, business moguls, and billionaires all use Van Nuys because it keeps them away from the crowds at LAX. The airport has custom-designed VIP terminals, high-security zones, and access to luxury car fleets, so passengers can go directly from jet to mansion in minutes. Fun fact, Van Nuys is one of the busiest private airports in the world, handling over 200,000 takeoffs and landings per year, all private. But what truly sets billionaire-only airports apart isn't just the luxury, it's the services behind the scenes. Many of these airports offer custom immigration and security clearance, meaning billionaires can bypass regular checkpoints entirely. Some even allow direct helicopter transfers to city centers, shaving hours off travel time. For example, from Teterboro, billionaires can land in New Jersey and be helicoptered straight to a Manhattan rooftop in less than 10 minutes. Another key feature is total discretion. Many of these airports employ private security teams, armored transport services, and even underground passageways to ensure that no one knows when a billionaire arrives or leaves. For high-profile figures, this level of security isn't just about luxury, it's about safety. But here's something most people don't realize: these airports are also networking hubs for the wealthy. Imagine sitting in a private lounge where the people around you are Fortune 500 CEOs, celebrities, royal family members, and global investors. Deals worth millions, or even billions, are often made right inside these terminals, before the jet even takes off. For billionaires, the airport is not just a place to travel, it's a place to build wealth and power. So, how much does it actually cost to use these airports? Access isn't free, and it's not cheap. Landing fees at private airports can range from thousands to tens of thousands of dollars. Parking your jet in a hangar? That can cost $100,000 or more per year. And that's not even including the price of the jet itself, which can range from $10 million to over $70 million. The reality is, these airports are built for an entirely different class of traveler, one where money is no object. Now, let's talk about the future of billionaire-only airports. With the rise of mega wealthy tech entrepreneurs and global billionaires, private air travel is booming like never before. New airports and private terminals are being built around the world to meet the demand. We are also seeing futuristic concepts, like private terminals for space travel, where billionaires will eventually board rockets to take them beyond Earth. The future of billionaire travel isn't just private jets, it's private spaceports. But even with all the innovation, one thing remains the same: private airports represent the ultimate symbol of wealth, power, and freedom. They're places where billionaires aren't just passengers, they're the ones in control. To wrap this up, private airports are more than just runways and terminals, they're an entire hidden world designed for the few people who can afford them. From New York to Paris, Dubai to Los Angeles, these billionaire-only gateways redefine what it means to travel. For the ultra-wealthy, it's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing it in total luxury, privacy, and efficiency. If you enjoyed this inside look into the world of billionaire travel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on luxury, wealth, and lifestyle. And let me know in the comments, which of these billionaire airports would you want to experience if money were no object?